Hey everyone, this is the Types and Views tutorial series. In the last two sections we saw how to create a custom post type and how to create a custom taxonomy. Now we are going to group these features, create custom fields to our posts, to add some extra meta information to our products, and then apply them to our custom taxonomies. The last thing we did is creating several product categories, which are from our custom taxonomies. However, if you want to add a new product now, what we have is just the title bar and the editor section. If you pay some more attention, you could see the product category so that we can create a new product and apply it to an existing product category or add a new one. However, we want our products to have several more fields, such as price, a URL for the product, and an expiration date. In types, we have one submenu named custom fields. Custom fields allow us to create a group of fields which provide extra information to be added for the custom post types. Once we click on the Add a Custom Fields group, we can create a new group of features to be applied for a specific post type. Let's call it Product Details. This is our Product Details group. Here we have several options. We can filter the types of post data that could use this product group. For now, we need only the products to be able to add and display this information on our posts. We can also select some terms and content templates, which is a bit more advanced data to be used here. Now, we can select different types of fields. You're probably acquainted with most of the fields such as checkbox or the date field, email field if you need to store some email information, file if we are about to do some file upload, image, numeric type, phone number, a radio box or select drop-down box, a Skype field, URL, single at multiple lines, and what you see is what you get editor. The same one that we have in the editor screen in the add new post or a new page section. Now, we need several fields here. I'm going to select a numeric field, which is going to be my price field. The SWG, which is the short name, is going to be price, and this is going to be used here for my price. The second thing that I'm about to use is the URL. This is the URL of the product, which provides some extra information for the product. I'm going to call it URL with the URL slug, and as you see, you can provide some kind of validation. This might be a required field, which means that we can't add a new product without this field being populated, and we can also turn the validation on for the URL type. Another thing that I need is the image. I want to be able to add a specific image to this field. Keep in mind that WordPress provides the featured image functionality, which is enabled by default for posts, and when creating custom post types with types, you can also select the featured image by enabling the post thumbnail section that we explained in the first tutorial. However, we are going to add some image here, which is not required by default. And we could also select a date section, which is going to be expiration. Let's say that some product has some expiration date and it's not good to be tasted after the expiration date is over. Let's call it expiration again. And we can select the date validator here. Save the custom group, and we have a new group of custom fields enabled. If we're about to create a new product now, we'll see that we have several more fields at the bottom of our screen. Let's create several products. First off, we are going to create a banana. This is our banana. We can put it in some of the categories here. Let's add the fruits categories. In the product details, we might add some price. We could also select some URL, which is going to be the banana URL, and we might select some banana image. As you see, the custom field that we created with types has an upload image dialog. This is the same one as we are going to add some media to our post. Let's use the drag and drop functionality from WordPress and move this banana here. We could click the Use As field value, and we'll have our new banana. Our expiration date is going to be by the end of May. Clicking the Publish, we have our new post type. This is the edit screen, so we can edit all of the details here and have our banana date. Let's click on Add New once again and add another product, which is going to be a tomato. We are about to populate the data here, let's say 23, and the URL is going to be tomato. We are going to upload another image, which is, let's say, this tomato, using as a field value, and also some expiration, which is going to be in June. Adding it in the fruit section and publishing again. Now we could see that once we click New Product, View Product, we could see our tomato data. Keep in mind that the custom fields are not visible by default when creating a custom post type and adding some meta information. So we'll need to use some extra help to display these features, and this is one of the responsibilities of the Views plugin. In the next section, we are going to review the Views plugin and how are we able to display some extra information